Want to know how to fix Mobile Legends login failed issue? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Mobile Legends application and check it again. So sometimes if your Mobile Legends is logged into a different device, so make sure to log out from it as well. That might prevent it as well. So if none of those work, you can just simply hit towards your app settings, that is right here. And on the bottom right side, you should be seeing Clear Data. Just simply select Clear Data and then select Clear Cache. Now once you've selected Clear Cache, just simply select OK, and now you can restart your application. This should work. Now sometimes an unstable connection might also be an issue, so make sure to watch out for that as well. So make sure to have a stable connection or switch to data. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.